Hi, my name is Jeff Sauls, and I am a Cuencaholic, although I prefer to refer to myself as a GRINCANO. Maybe you are one too. If you are a GRINCANO or thinking about becoming a GRINCANO, this is a tape with some information for you. When I say GRINCANO, it's because Jaffe and I moved here about 4 years ago, and increasingly this is our home. We are gringos in Cuenca, and we are the gringos of Cuenca. We are individuals who feel our roots deepening and our home becoming more and more here in Cuenca. What's exciting about that is there's a relationship that begins to occur. And those of us who love Cuenca are enjoying the deepening of roots, the deepening of relationships, and something very exciting is happening. There are some experts and professionals who have come together here from Cuenca to share their love of Cuenca, their knowledge of stories. These are geographers, historians, musicians, and they put together a program called Cuenca for Expats. What this consists of is our two modules of 11 meetings each. Each meeting is 1 hour long and it takes place on a Thursday evening. And these are deep dives into extraordinary worlds of possibility, of history, of the very magic and secrets and recipes that make Cuenca what it is. So if you're interested in participating, letting your friendships grow deeper, your appreciation of the place, if you'd like to love Cuenca more by knowing it better, if you'd like to become an expert by learning from the experts, take a look at this program, Cuenca for Expats. The way to find it is www.campus with two M's, campus.com, or check out the phone number below. Join us in the discovery of Cuenca and the deepening of our GRINCANO roots. See you there.